Order of operations, right? This is the whole basis for how we do things, right? Like I told everybody in geometry yesterday, learn this, know this, so you don't look like an idiot when you post the wrong answer on those Facebook pictures. You ever seen the Facebook pictures? All right, so order of operation, right? This tells us the order, right? Makes sense. Tells us the order that we complete things when we have an expression. Right, so the idea of PEMDAS, right? You've all heard that before. So P is my what?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. So we do parentheses first. All right. Everybody remember what the E is?
Exponent.
Exponents.
I know this stuff.
Good. M and D is what? Multiply and divide. Somewhere. Other than the A and the S is what? Add and subtract. So, gentlemen, big thing to think about for these two, right, is that I'm doing whatever comes first, left to right.
Yeah.
So that's typically where people screw up, is they try to do things out of order with those two. So we're going to look at a couple examples, and then I'll give you a couple examples to look at, and then we'll be done. So this shouldn't take all that long. All right, so if I look at this first example, 3 plus 2 times 4 minus 1.
Answer's 10.
Okay, maybe. Do you have any parentheses?
No.
Exponents?
No.
No, so I can go straight to multiply, looking for multiplication and division. If I look at this, right, this is my multiplication and division step right there. So that's what I'm going to do first, right? So I'm going to take the other stuff and just leave it alone, right? 2 times 4 is?
8.
So now all I have left is that add, subtract, right? So just go left to right. So 3 plus 8 is? 11 minus 1 is?
10. Alright, towards the answer.
Good job, Chris. All right, second one. 8 divided by quantity of 6 minus 2 times 3.
Answer's 5.
So what should I do first?
Subtract.
6 minus 2, right? So I'm going to keep everything else the same. I don't need that. 6 minus 2 is?
4.
4.
Alright, I think it's...
All right. So now what should I do first here?
Oh wait, that's times, not add either.
Division, right? Division comes first, left to right, so I'm going to do that first. So 8 divided by 4 is what? 2 times 3 is? 6. All right, I'm going to skip down to 1 because I'm going to have you do the other 3 together. But I want to look at this bottom one. Right? Anybody have any ideas what that bracket right there means?
I know what it means, but I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. So if you ever see this, right, it's just a second set of parentheses. Sometimes worksheets or math textbooks or whatever, sometimes the test software, it's going to take that hard bracket as a second set of parentheses. So you just treat it like parentheses.
So just ignore the little ones then?
Ignore what?
The little one?
No, so we'll do the little ones first. So what it's saying is we've got to take a look at this
4 minus 2.
this whole thing first.
So you got the 4 minus 2. And
So-
whatever you get from there, you use that exponent that is a 2. You use that on that number.
Yeah.
And then you gotta do the exponent, and then you gotta multiply. And then you gotta divide, and then you gotta add.
So what is 4 minus 2?
2.
Right, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just working inside those brackets first. right? And then, like Chris said, I've got to do the exponent. All right, so I'm going to keep the other stuff the same. 2 squared is 4.
Oh shit, I should probably write this down.
All right, so now you look at what's 3 times 4?
12.
12. So my 4 plus 12 divided by 6. So what do I do first here?
Oh my god, because I did the division.
You gotta divide the.
You got to do the division first, right? So 12 divided by 6 is?